Absolutely. We just want Miss Mel to start from international students kasi marami pa rin yung mga nagtatanong, no? 2 years ago, and I think 2 years ago, maraming mga international student, uy, this is the fastest way, no, to immigrate to Canada. Same question, Miss Mel, 2025, ito pa rin ba yung pinakamabilis na pathway to go to Canada and to start your Canadian trip?
Well, ngayon, kung dati lagi natin sinasabi na pagplanuhan ng maayos ang pag international student, ngayon i-times 10 mo ang pagpaplano kung ito pa rin ba ang tamang pathway for you. Sa dami ng mga changes, ay kasi aminin man natin o hindi, the only reason kung bakit mo gustong mag-international student dito sa Canada, it's because of permanent resident. So now, nasa tama ka bang industry o nasa tama ka bang ano yung mafu-fulfill mo kung dito ka mag-aaral? Kasi kung ang pagbabasihan lang natin is you really want to have a Canadian education, then definitely it doesn't matter ang PGWP kasi okay naman na hindi ka makapagtrabaho dito o hindi ka makakuha ng permanent resident. Pero kung ang ini-aim mo is makakuha ng PJWP, makapag-apply ng permanent resident, tignan mo kung nandoon ka sa tamang avenue. Kasi baka mamaya may ibang pathway na mas magaan-gaan para makuha mo yung permanent resident.
Yeah, I think planning is the key, Miss Mel, no? Pagdating sa international student, no? So, again, hindi din nagbabago yung ating advice. If you're planning to study in Canada, you really need to plan. Ano yung pinaka-end goal mo, no, with international student? With international student, Miss Mel, ano yung pinakakailangan nilang tandaan? Kasi marami tayong naririnig, no, with international student, may limit na ba? Ano ba to, Miss Mel, sa mga bago pa lang sa ating platform, no? So, especially yung mga bago pa lang magplano. Nagplano ngayong 2025 na mag-aral. Ano yung mismo tinatawag nilang limit? May mga limit na yung kada province, and at the same time, to get a PGWP, kailangan daw nasa university.
Yes. Actually, ang una-una niyong titignan right now is same pa rin, DLI ba yung school na papasukan mo? Kasi kung DLI siya, possible na puwede siyang mabigyan ng, PAL or attestation kapagka ikaw ay nasa public school. Pero biggest thing na nagbago right now is hindi na ngayon lahat ay qualified na makapag-apply ng PGWP after mong mag-aral. So, ibig sabihin, kung ang pinag-aralan mo is diploma course, then wala ng PGWP. So, make sure na ang kukunin mo ay master's, PhD, yung mga professional. So, for example, jury doctor o yung mga lawyers. Then, may PhD ka pa rin. So, yun yung pinakamalaking changes in terms of the student. May kinalaman din ngayon, kumbaga may domino effect din yan. So may PGWP ang principal applicant. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun automatic na yung kasama mo o yung asawa mo ay makakapag-apply ng open work permit. So may domino effect yan, which is kailangan ngayon ang trabaho mo or yung principal applicant is dapat nasa tier 0 or 1. So, ibig sabihin dapat nasa managerial position ang trabaho mo para makapag-apply ang iyong asawa na open work permit ng extension niya.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Miss Melat, for everyone na you're planning to study in Canada. This is very, very important to mga kap to take notes no. Isulat po ninyo and rewatch this in live streaming po mga kap. Kasi napaka-importante as we mentioned bago tayo magsimula, if you're planning to do student visa, you're planning to study in Canada, you really need to plan. And you cannot plan if you don't have a solid information po mga. Thank you very much, Miss Mel. Another biggest questions na. And that's it for today, Pumakap. Thank you very much for joining us, Pumakap. Before we end this video, we would like to invite you, Pumakap, to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community. On this community, Pumakap, you will have an opportunity to access the following. You will able to join our weekly webinar, Pumakap, plus our 5 days immigration success. And also we have an exclusive immigration bootcamp. You will able to learn express entry, provincial nominee, or AIP, or how to find job offer here in Canada. You'll be able to access also our real success stories to give you more inspiration. So we strongly suggest mga kap, if you are dreaming to study, immigrate, work in Canada, I strongly suggest to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community mga kap. The link is in the description below or simply type in the comment section access and I'm going to send directly this link to you, communitycanada.net. Thank you very much mga kap and signing out. Maraming salamat mga kap and see you here in Canada.